Did Microsoft just change how we use Windows forever?
Their latest wave of AI updates is massive, and it's not just for new Copilot Plus PCs.
Some of these upgrades are coming to every Windows 11 user. Here's everything you need to know. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you're excited or even skeptical about AI in Windows. Let's start with the headline features exclusive to Copilot Plus PCs. First up, Microsoft is adding an AI agent that can change system settings for you. Just tell it what you want to fix, like adjusting your mouse pointer or turning on voice control, and it'll take care of it. This feature starts rolling out in English to Windows insiders using Snapdragon-based Copilot Plus PCs and will expand to AMD and Intel later on. Microsoft is also expanding its Click to Do tool. You'll soon be able to highlight text or images and ask Copilot to do things like generate Word content, convert tables in Excel, read text aloud, or even start a Microsoft Teams chat, all directly from what you select. Windows search is getting smarter too. You'll be able to search for system settings, find and install apps from the Microsoft Store, and even locate specific photos in your collection. Over in Photos, the new Relight feature lets you enhance lighting by placing up to 3 light sources in your image. It's creative, customizable, and powered by AI, coming first to Snapdragon Copilot Plus PCs. Paint is getting a boost with a sticker generator and a precise object selection tool. And the Snipping Tool? It's smarter now. It can auto-detect what you want to screenshot, extract text, and even pick colors right off your screen. Now here's the best part. Some upgrades are coming to all Windows 11 users. The Start menu is being redesigned. You'll see your most used apps automatically sorted in a new All Apps view, plus a new Phone Companion feature shows your iPhone or Android activity right next to your menu. File Explorer is getting AI actions, like summarizing documents or editing photos right from the right-click menu. Even Notepad is getting in on the action. You'll be able to write using prompts, summarize text, and format your notes with headings, bold, italics, and markdown. Microsoft's Copilot Windows app is also evolving. With Copilot Vision, you can ask the AI to analyze or summarize whatever's on your screen, whether it's a web page or a desktop app. Plus, voice features are expanding. Press and hold the Copilot key to talk, or just say, "Hey Copilot," to activate it. All of this is part of Microsoft's vision for a new generation of Windows experiences, and it's already rolling out to Windows insiders. If you want a deeper dive into what Copilot is already capable of, check out the related video in the corner now.